expression gives the correct volume in cubic centimeters of 70% concentrated nitric acid with density 1.42 grams per cubic centimeter required to prepare 300 cubic centimeters of a 0.150 moles per cubic decimeter solution of nitric acid. This question explains the procedure of preparing a dilute nitric acid solution from a given concentrated acid. In these type of questions, calculate the concentration of this conc nitric acid using the given weight percentage, density, and the molar mass of nitric acid. Relative atomic masses of hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen were given. Therefore, we can calculate the molar mass of nitric acid. Weight percentage, density, and molar mass can be used to calculate the concentration of this conc nitric acid. Concentration and the volume of dilute nitric acid were given. C1V1 equals C2V2 equation can be used to calculate the required volume of conc nitric acid to prepare the given dilute nitric acid solution. The concentration and the volume of this dilute nitric acid solution were given in the question, that is C2 and V2. We have to calculate the initial concentration or the concentration of this conc nitric acid solution, that is C1. Therefore, you can substitute values for C1, C2 and V2. That gives you the answer V1. First, we will calculate the concentration of this conc nitric acid C1. We will start with density. Density equals 1.42 grams per cubic centimeter. That means mass of 1 cubic centimeter of this solution is 1.42 grams. But 1 cubic centimeter of this solution does not contain 1.42 grams of nitric acid because this is not a pure nitric acid sample. The reason is weight percentage of nitric acid is 70%. Therefore, 1.42 grams is the mass of 1 cubic centimeter solution. 1.42 times 70 divided by 100 gives the mass of nitric acid in 1 cubic centimeter of this solution. Mass divided by molar mass gives the number of moles of nitric acid in 1 cubic centimeter of this solution. This is the number of moles of nitric acid in 1 cubic centimeter of this conc nitric acid. Now we have calculated number of moles of nitric acid present in 1 cubic centimeter of this conc nitric acid sample. But concentration is number of moles of nitric acid in 1000 cubic centimeters or number of moles of nitric acid present in 1 cubic decimeter of the sample. Therefore, we can multiply this value by 1000 to get the concentration of this conc nitric acid sample. C1V1 equals C2V2. Therefore, V1 equals C2V2 divided by C1. Substitute values for this equation to get the answer for this question. V1 equals C2 is 0.150 moles per cubic decimeter. V2 is 300 cubic centimeters divided by C1. Therefore, V1 equals 0.150 times 300 times 100 times 63 divided by 1.42 times 70 times 1000 cubic centimeters. The answer is number 2.